Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. In today I'm going to show you how to free transform your object on your document in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that I want you to do is to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing that I will do in this example is to create or place an object or an image, or you can just do it with the shape. So here I'm going to the rectangle tool and I'm going to create a rectangle. Let's just fill it with some color to be visible. Now I have my object here. So basically to free transform it, we will need just to do or to use the free transform tool. Where to find it? You should go to the tools panel here and we will find here the free transform tool, and you can just click, and as you can see I'm still using the free transform tool, and now you can free transform in your object however you want. You can flip it like this, you can resize it however you want, too thin, have it like any degree of rotation, having it like this, or you can use some keyboard keys to have some options of resizing. For example, if you want to have like some symmetrical resizing from the length and the width, you can just click on shift and you will have like a good resizing this way. And if you want to have like both ways resizing, you will need to click on alt, as you can see like this. And if you want to have like both some symmetrical resizing and in the two ways, you can just click both shift and alt. So you can also do this to all the objects like images or text boxes. Let's just go back and click on shift. Now I go to the selection tool. Now I'm not editing this one. So basically, as I said, we can do this also to the text holders or text box. Let's just having it this text hello for example, and go to the free transform tool, and as you can see now I can do the same as I did to the shape, resize it, rotate it, having like some symmetrical rotation if I click on shift, having it do whatever you want, and you can freely transform your object however you want. So basically that was the way or the method how to use the free transform tool. Thank you for watching and see you next time.